Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are going to solve these type of questions by using the fundamental theorem of calculus, and we will find the derivative of the given function. So basically it is an integral of some function, but here it is the variable, so we cannot integrate it directly and then we cannot find the derivative. So we will use this fundamental theorem of calculus to solve these type of questions. And we can also call it a Leibniz theorem also. So what we need to do first, we will look upon the upper limit. So this is upper limit and this is the lower limit. So what we need to do, we need to put this. So let's suppose this ft. So t square divided by 4 minus 1 to the power 5. This is ft. Then first we will need to find the value of f of upper limit. Means we will put the upper limit in place of t. So upper limit is x square. So we will put t instead of, we will replace t by x square. So we can write this as x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 1 to the power 5. And then we will replace the lower limit again. So it will become 4 minus 1 to the power 5. So this will become 3 to the power 5. Now, to find the derivative, we will write it from here. So to find the derivative, that is f dash x, we will write it as f of x square multiplied by dx of upper limit. So upper limit is x square minus f of lower limit, that is 4 multiplied by d by dx of this lower limit. So we know that the differentiation of x square is 2x and f of x square is written here. So we can write this as x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 1 to the power 5 minus, so f of 4 is 3 to the power 5 and dy dx of 4 means this is a constant term, so the differentiation of constant term is 0. So we can write this as, that is f dash x is equal to 2x multiplied by x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus 1 to the power 5. So this is the final answer for this question. Now we will deal with similar another example. So let's suppose this is the given example in which the upper limit is a constant and the lower limit is a variable. So we will repeat the same process. F of upper limit means f of minus 5. So we can write this as minus 6 cos 25. And f of lower limit, this is f of x, means we will replace t with x. 6 cos, this will become x square. Now we will use the Leibniz theorem. So f dash x is f, this is capital F dash x. So we can write here it f dash x is equal to f of upper limit, this is minus f of minus 5 multiplied by dy dx of upper limit minus f of lower limit means f of x multiplied by d by dx of lower limit. So if we will solve this, f of minus 5 is minus 6 cos 25 and the constant term derivative is 0. So this term will be cancelled out. Minus times of fx, this will become minus 6 cos x square. And we know that the differentiation of x is 1. So we can write the value of the derivative of such type of function is, this will become 0 and this will become minus minus plus. So it will become 6 cos of x square. So this is the answer for this question. So this how we can solve these type of problems. And if you want to ask any other doubt related to these concepts, then do visit my website, which is given here, and link is given in the description below. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment on this video, give feedback and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.